Hello everyone, good afternoon. So finally we are connecting again and it's a Sunday. So good to see you all here. Yeah. So we'll be starting soon. Okay. Fine. So we have started getting the questions. So the very first question is from MK Mathan. What is the current market of manual test engineer in the IT sector? So, very good question. Many a times we feel that there is not much demand of the manual testing in the market, but it's not like that. There is a demand because if you have to start with the automation testing, then definitely you will have to do functional testing. You'll have to do manual testing before ahead. And once the application is stable, then and then only you would be able to proceed ahead with the automation testing. So what I would suggest is the market from the testing perspective, it is good. But in these days, the companies are looking for both the skills. One is automation testing and second is manual testing. You should have both the skill set. If you have both, then definitely you will be able to get good job opportunities. With respect to specifically just manual testing, job opportunities are less because just manual testing is not required. People are expecting you to do automation as well these days, right? So that is very important. Okay. Shreya is asking, sir, which platform is good for remote jobs? So I would say for remote job opportunities, you would find a lot of them on LinkedIn. This is where even I am also searching the jobs on LinkedIn and I am posting on the channel. So it is through LinkedIn only, right? So LinkedIn is a very good platform wherein you can get lot of job opportunities related to the remote. Okay. Then there is a question. I am working since 4 years in manual testing, but I want to switch my company. Want to get into a role into automation. I have done through Selenium with Java course, but I'm not getting enough confidence for facing an interview for automation. Can you please suggest something? So if you are not getting the confidence of facing the interviews, then please come forward, give mock interviews to us. Because see, my purpose of taking mock interviews would be I would be able to give you the areas where you need further improvement. I would be able to suggest you wherein you would be able to pitch in and how you can give the answers, how can you increase your presentation skills, your communication skills. So those kind of things I can assist you. So if you are okay, then you can go on top mate and book a slot for mock interview with us, right? Any slot is fine. Then Sahil is asking question. I have 3 years of experience in automation testing. I have applied in near 20 jobs, but didn't get any response. What should I do? So Sahil, it might happen that they are looking for some other skill set, or they are looking for maybe some more kind of years of experience. That's also one of the possibility. So it might happen they might be looking for Selenium with Python, but you might be having Selenium with Java. So those kind of things are possible. And one more important thing is, let's say you are in Bangalore location, and maybe they are looking for localite in Hyderabad. That's also possible, right? So those kind of things might happen. Second thing is you might be looking for they might be looking for an ATS friendly resume template, right? So let me put the link of that as well. So you can avail this ATS friendly resume template and you can try for applying for the jobs. Okay. There is a question. I resigned in November and last date is in February. How's the market? I have 5 years of experience, mostly in manual, but I've done some basics of automation. So if you have done some basics of automation, you can showcase those things in your project. You can showcase those things in your CV. You can create one of the project with those kind of exposure, and that's where that can be helpful to you. That's very important because in these days they are looking for automation testing, as we were just discussing. They are looking for automation testing, right? So it becomes very important. And in February, definitely from January 2025, again the job market will be open. Now it is bit silent because this Christmas is going on, this festive season, and all those things are there. 31st December. So after this, definitely the job opportunities would be there, right? So. That's very important. So learn automation, revise some things in automation, and include one of the project with automation in your resume. That would be helpful to you. Okay, there is a question. I need scenario type questions. Do you have any playlist of these questions? So scenario type of questions which you can get into the with respect to the companies, the automation testing with uh, various companies. Those have asked those questions. So let me share that product link as well. So if you are looking for scenario based questions, yeah. So this is the scenario based question product that you can avail. Right? Can we get a job as a QA in Canada? So in Canada, as of now, the market is very down. I am in touch with few of my students, with few of my subscribers there from Canada. So market is very down in Canada. Maybe from February onwards, we can expect something good, positive things in Canada as well as in US. But in India, the market is good. Srinivas is telling, what is the future of automation testing? A lot of people are saying that there are no more testers. So this opinion is wrong. A lot of people are saying there are no more testers. It's not possible. Automation testing is in demand. It would be in demand in the upcoming days as well, because see, automation testing is done either via Selenium or whichever tools or technologies. You would need someone to do that testing. You would need someone that type of skill set to handle the things. Once you complete the automation, then also you need some people to be on the support or on the maintenance perspective. So definitely the demand would be there. It is already there and it would be there in the upcoming days as well. Shreya is asking, sir, Flex Jobs portal is paid. Is it worthwhile purchasing it? I would say, Shreya, um, see, purchasing it or not is a secondary decision. But first thing is, why don't you go on LinkedIn? Why don't you approach people who are already working in the company? You can try getting referral, right? Why don't you see the jobs those are being posted on our channel? So those things are good, right? Those things are absolutely free of cost. No one is charging you. These kind of portals who are charging you, they are taking all that information, and you never know with whom they are sharing, right? And I'm not aware about this portal. I don't feel much confident with such kind of portals. You can try on Naukri, you can try on Indeed, you can try LinkedIn. These are good open source job portals, right? You can try on those itself. Shrey is telling, sir, if a company reviews is not good, will I have to join that company? So it depends on what kind of reviews you are getting. If you know someone who has already worked on there and they have got laid off, then what is the reason of them getting laid off? Is it because the project was not there, or is it because of their own performance? So such kind of things you have to understand, and accordingly you have to take the decision. Okay, there is a question. Recently, I gave interview in Infosys where they asked about framework, but in my profession, I only worked in manual. I have knowledge on Selenium with Java. So if they're asking you about the framework, then the least possible thing that you can explain about your framework is with respect to Selenium and the Java. So I'm sharing this framework also link with you. You can explain your framework in this manner, even if you haven't worked on creating those framework. If you are able to explain this much, that's also good, right? That would also assist you a lot. So you can try to give explanation with respect to the product that I have given over there. Okay, so I feel the questions are being answered. I would request you to please hit the like button, right? The target for getting the likes is 100. I have set the 100 as a target for getting the likes. I would be really happy to get those 100 likes on this live session, right? Okay, Saipri is asking, sir, please suggest how to get referral on LinkedIn. I have 3 months of notice period. How do I negotiate it? See, 3 months of notice period, at the max, you can negotiate it to 2 months, but they will not waive off all your 3 months. And that too is a bit difficult because I have seen people who are trying with 3 months of notice period. It's very difficult to get negotiation, those kind of things. Now, how to get referral on LinkedIn? So, what you can do is whenever you come to know about the job opportunity, you see what is that company name. Let's say that company name is Capgemini, for example. Then you see who on LinkedIn are active and are working on those in that particular company. You can approach them. You can just send them an resume and send them a professional message. That don't send messages like hello, hi, how are you, good morning, those kind of things. You have to draft a professional message like this is xyz person having this much years of experience, having skill set of this much, current ctc, tell them about your notice period, tell them about your location, tell them about your company, current company, all these things you have to tell. You have to make that message and send them on the LinkedIn message, and you have to request them to ask for the referral. So that's how you should approach in a very professional manner to the people who can assist you for the reference, right? uh, Krishnendu is asking, in January can we expect more openings? Yes, definitely, definitely, right. Yashasri is asking, in coming few days I have HR round in Infosys. Current CTC is 5.6. How much high can I expect? Skills 4 years in experience in IT, Selenium, Java, manual testing, ISTQB certified. Okay, 4 years of experience you have. Uh, with 4 years, if you're having the knowledge, I mean, if you have hands-on experience in Selenium with Java, right, then you can expect somewhere around 9 to 12 LPA, right? 9 to 12 LPA, you can expect more, but see, current CTC is 5.6, which is very less. They will give you 30-35% of hike, not more than that. So that would come somewhere. You can ask from 9 to 12 LPA, that would assist you a lot. Um, Mohammed is asking, sir, is it possible to switch from core industry experience to testing roles like manual or automation in IT industry? Yes, definitely it's possible. If you know automation, it would assist you a lot in getting into the testing jobs, right? Uh, Okay, so there is a test user who wants to learn API and database automation. Can you suggest me which one as I need to start for getting a job? So learn API automation first. API automation is more in demand compared to this, I would say, database automation. Uh, okay, Vamshi is telling, hello sir, I have attended many interviews but did not selected any. If the market was good after 2 months, I would like to continue in IT or else have a thoughts about shifting to non-IT. So see, it is totally dependent on you, right, Vamshi. If you are okay to go for the non-technical fields, you can go for things like Scrum Master, becoming a business analyst, going into the product management roles. Those kind of roles are available in non-IT as well. You can also continue to IT, or from January, definitely there will be more calls because now it's a kind of a vacation period. So people would be on leaves. So you can try from January onwards. Yashasri is asking, what Infosys consider non-IT experience along with IT experience. So if you are having a non-IT experience, then they will not count it. They will be counting your IT experience only. Okay. Omkar, market is already up, right? Definitely, market is doing good, and from January onwards, you can expect more job opportunities, right? Okay, before we go ahead, I would like to tell you about one of the important update. So I have created one package, which is of which consists of various interview related products, and there are many products, and you can avail this particular package in about with 10% of discount today. So it's a package and it has got almost 16 products within this, right? So there are 18 products into this particular package, and you can avail this package today, right? And you can avail it in with 10% of discount itself. Okay, what will be the expected salary? of manual testing with 4 years of experience. So expected salary of manual testing with 4 years of experience would be somewhere around 8 to 10 LP. Yeah, so Saurabh, this is available at, I would say, around nearly price, which is at 600. If you would see the 18 products price, so it will somewhere go around 850. But since this is a package, it is available at a discounted price today. Why company is paying less to the less package to the manual testers? So company is paying less package because they don't know automation testing knowledge, right? So these days companies are looking for automation testing as well. So it becomes very important that you should know both manual as well as automation. It's fine if you know the basics of automation, then also it's fine. At least you should be able to create the pages, find out the locators, those kind of things you should be able to do, right? If you are able to do those kind of things, then it's fine, right? But if you are going just with manual testing, it will not assist you in today's time, right? That is why companies paying less, because they are looking for both manual as well as automation testing. So Murli Krishna is telling, recently I got rejected by one of the company due to I'm sending my resume to your RD automation testing email ID. I got address not found. So if you are looking for mock interviews, Murli, you can book the slot on TopMate. So let me share that link with you for the mock interview, right? You don't need to send an email to us. You can directly book this particular product, sorry, this particular call on TopMate to give the mock interview. Okay, Nitish is telling I have 2 years of experience in automation testing and 1 year of gap. Next Tuesday, I have interview. Tell me, please, sir, inputs for that interview. So 1 year of gap you have. So then, Nitin, what you should do is you have 1 year of gap. You can tell what was the reason of that gap, whether it was a health issue or maybe you are preparing for some other competitive exams. You can tell health issue, right? Because that looks more genuine and that looks uh, fine as well. Because many of the folks do take breaks because of the health reasons. Okay, now there is a question. One problem I am facing. Lastly, I was working with PwC at 9 LPA. Right now, I'm getting very less number of calls. As of now, if I accept offer of 5 LPA, then after a year, still things to change to another. So so if you are going from 9 LPA to 5 LPA, right? If you're going from 9 LPA to 5 LPA, then the future company will see your 5 LPA package, not the 9 LPA package, right? Even if you tell that you were working in 9 LPA prior, but then they will see the salary structure of your current company, right? Not last to last company, right? So that's not going to help you. I would suggest if you're not getting more than 9, then at least try to get a job with 8.5 or 9 LPA, but not lesser than that. Not decrease your value by yourself in the market, right? That is not going to assist you a lot. Yeah, definitely. Gaurav is asking manual testing is effective. Yes, manual testing is effective, definitely. Once it is done, then and then only you should go for automation. Okay, Nitish, you have 4.5 LPA in your current and 2 years of experience. Okay, you can expect up to 7 LPA, right? 6 to 7 LPA you can expect. Yeah, that's it. Any other questions you have? So meanwhile, please hit on the like button. It becomes very important that you showcase your love, you showcase your support to us. It's a Sunday, and it's almost 12:58. Yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock, right? So I would be happy to get more and more likes from all of you. Okay. So these kind of questions, how to handle 60 days of notice period, how to handle 90 days of notice period. So there are companies who are hiring you with 60 days, with 90 days of notice period, because those companies themselves have those kind of criterias. 60 days, 90 days kind of things. So there are companies like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture who will wait for you for 90 days, for 60 days, right? So not an issue. Let's say if you get into some other company but they are not ready to wait, then you can discuss about the buyback offer with the company. So what is buyback offer? Let's say you are in company A and you got selected in company B. Company B wants you to join earlier. Then what would happen is, the company B, you can discuss these things with the company B. You can ask them to pay some X amount of your salary to company A or to you, and then they can release, so that they can release you earlier, right? Those kind of things you can do. Mayuri sir, how to call कैसे हैं 3 point? Yeah, so Mayuri, a lot of calls are there for 3+ years of experience. Don't worry, right? Update your resume, give mock interviews, and let's connect for exploring the job opportunities as well. Yeah, so Sarojini is asking, I was preparing for government exams and I am looking for the job in the automation testing. So I would say, Sarojini, you can start learning automation testing, right? Don't worry. Many of you are having these kind of things, like you are trying for career based in government exams, but then things are not going on well. So these kind of things are happening. So don't worry. You can learn automation testing and start your career in automation testing itself, Sarojini. Okay, Coforge, HCL, TCS, which company is best for 3 years experience, same package? So if you have same package, then go for Coforge, right? Don't go for HCL as of now, right? You can go for Coforge. That's a good company. You can also try an Ascendian, right? That's also a good company. So Suganya is asking, is there any scope of Python automation testing? Yes, scope is there. Out of 10 job opportunities, you will get 2 to 3 in Python. Rest will be in Java. So learn Java. That would help you a lot. But for now, if you have started with Python, then continue that, complete that first, and then we'll connect for your. Then you can start your uh, Java course as well. Okay. How to get the remote job in automation testing, Roshan? So you can go for the opportunity in LinkedIn, right? You'll find many job opportunities there. Okay, now there is a question from Joginder. Sir, I need your suggestion. Recently, I joined in some company allocated in very hectic project with tight deadlines. Know anyone what to complete and how to complete the things I am about to ask to release. I'm about to ask to release means you are asked to get release from the company. Is it like that, or you are yourself are trying to release from that company? I'm not getting your question actually, Joginder. Can you type again, Joginder? If you can be precise with the questions, would be really good. Okay, Suganya, if you have experience as an assistant professor, so now entering into the IT as fresher, so salary would be the basic salary like 20K. You can expect 20K, 25K. Those salary you can expect. If you are so Nani, if you are working as a manual tester in a small company with less package, having 18 months of experience. With 1.5 year, don't switch now. Learn automation, yeah, right? Just manual testing won't assist you. So learn automation, because those kind of questions also you would get. Shreen is asking, I'm having uh, 3 years of experience and current salary is 2.54 lakhs per annum, and I have resigned due to office work. I keep on trying to switch for automation. So you have 3 years of experience and you have 2.4 lakhs per annum. you have already resigned, then you can update in the Naukri or in the LinkedIn that you are an immediate joiner. Those kind of points you can look mention. You can look for referrals, right? Those kind of things you can put to get more and more calls. Also, I'll share one ATS friendly resume template with you, which will assist you. So many of you are looking for the job switch, but I think you are not having that kind of things which you should have. So let me assist you with that. So this is ATS friendly resume template, right? That you can achieve, that you can use, and right. This is the link. You can download this product. It will assist you in getting the calls as well. Right? This is how you have to create the resumes, create your profiles. Okay, how to explain roles and responsibilities for an automation tester? If you're asking, then you can avail this product. Right, this is for automation testing. JOY is asking, sir, I have cleared. Yeah, so Guru Datta, it is for automation only. You can avail this roles and responsibilities project. JOY is asking, sir, I have cleared first round at Infosys having 3 years of experience, automation, Selenium, Java. Will they ask technical questions in the managerial round? Yes. Some technical questions will be asked to you. For example, how do you apply weights and launching one of the website and finding out the XPath. Those kind of few automation testing questions you can expect with respect to your managerial round, and scenario based questions with respect to managerial round also you can expect. So that also I'm sending that link to you. You can avail this product that will assist you to clear the managerial round interviews, and not only in Infosys company but in other companies as well. This is from this product you will come to know what kind of answers you have to give, what kind of approach you have to tell, right? That's how you can give. So Niralya is asking, I'm having experience in Salesforce automation but not getting much calls. Yes. So after from January you will get. Pratmesh sir, can you share? Yeah, yeah, I'm working on those things, right? And I'll share. Yeah, Vinod, I have got offer from SNGN on API testing, but I don't have real, but I have good knowledge and client is. Yeah, yeah, you can join. You can join. No worries, Vinod. You can join, and I would request you to share your success story with us. Please drop us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Would be happy to connect with you, right? And would be happy to cover your success story as well, Vinod. Right? Please, let us connect for 15 to 20 minutes if you have time today itself. Okay, so team, everyone, it's a humble request. Please hit the like button. It's been almost 30 minutes. I can just see 31 likes so far. The target is to get 100 likes for this particular session, right? There are so many questions being asked, so many of it has been answered, right? And if you are not getting clarity on the answers that I'm giving, you can again post second question. So this is again and free live session that is going on, which can assist you in your careers. And we are also assisting from the career guidance, from the resumes point of view, from any digital products that we can help you from the interview perspective, updating you for the job market, those all things, right? So please do hit the like button so that it gives motivation to us to continue such kind of sessions. Okay, Manish is telling, sir, please guide for software testing fresher. So with respect to fresher, the job market has not opened that much. It will definitely open, but as of now, there is more requirements for experienced people having 2+ years of experience, right? Those people are having more experience, more requirements. Nani, yes, in January you can expect calls, right? Yes, in the 18 products of packages, you'll get a lot of things covered there. You'll get a lot of digital products there. related to roles and responsibilities, related to explaining your framework, related to API testing, rest assured questions, the Selenium with Python interview questions, those all things you'll get, right? With respect to this, the package that you have. Okay. With respect to Java coding interview questions, so I am working on that product. But meanwhile, if you are interested in learning Java programming coding things, then subscribe this channel. This is one more channel. It is not RD Automation Learning, but the name of the channel is RD Technical Learning. It is also my channel only, and we are uploading videos related to programming languages on that particular channel. So you can uh, work on that as well. Okay, Jagdish is telling I have 2.5 years of experience, both manual and automation. Now searching job. Uh, I uploaded my profile on LinkedIn, but no calls. Any company? Why, sir? Can you explain? So 2.5 years of experience. What is the skill set? What is the location? What is your current CTC? Those all things are necessary. You might not be getting calls if your resume is not ATS friendly. You might not be getting calls if your package is too high. You might not be getting calls just because you are in some different location. So all those things can happen. So how much Java is required for automation testing? So from the Java perspective, you need to learn OOPS concepts. You need to have idea of collections. You need to have idea of strings, arrays, then data types. These all things are required, right? Okay, Rahul is telling I have 4 years of experience in manual of experience. New companies asking to learn Python and their hybrid framework. What is the future in the asking? Definitely, if you are asked to learn Python automation framework or hybrid framework, it's a good thing. If you learn those things, it would assist you a lot. You should definitely learn these automation testing related things. It would not only increase your chances of getting shortlisted in the company, but also assist you in getting good packages hike as well. Okay, someone is telling, sir, please share some job openings for manual automation testing. Yes, yes. So we are creating videos on that. You can see on the channel from Monday to Friday. Those are uploaded. Okay, Guru Datta is telling, I want to take the mock interview. So let me share the mock interview link. One is to one call, right? So this is the mock interview link, Guru Datta. You can avail this mock interviews, right? Okay, you are looking for package as well. So package I can give you from here. Okay, so here is a package. You can download this package. You can use it. Yeah, resume template I have shared in the poll. If you'll see, yes, no, poll is there. So that there is a link of that resume template. You can avail that product. That would assist you a lot. It's an ATS friendly resume template, so definitely it will help you. Right. Okay, what kind of different Selenium and Java questions is being asked for 5+ years of experience? So if you are having 5+ years of experience, then I would suggest you avail one of the product in which we have mentioned about different questions that are being asked in the companies to the various people who have appeared for the interviews in this year itself. So I have consolidated that particular questions and answers, and you can avail it from here. Mayur. Right, this is the product link, which is okay. Subhas is telling I have 4 years of experience in ETL testing, but I have prepared for Selenium automation testing, but I don't have hands-on experience. Can I apply for Selenium automation also? Yes, you can apply, but over there you will have to increase, you will have to showcase your maturity in the answers should be there. Otherwise, what would happen is they'll come to know that you don't have real-time experience, right? And then there will be an issue. So better is to get shortlisted by having some idea on those projects. Okay, what else? Scenario based questions for automation. Yes, yes. I just shared in the chat box. So you can see in the chat box there are a lot of digital products that you would get. You can avail these digital products today itself. See, MNC based questions and answers are there. Scenario based questions. You can avail these products. Okay, Shravan is asking, I have 3.5 years of experience in automation with salary of 7.5 LPA. How much can I expect after a job switch? So if you have 3.5 experience with 7.5, so as of now your salary should not be 7.5, your salary should be 9 LPA. So if you are going for a switch, definitely you can expect somewhere around 10 to 12 LPA. That would be the range. Ideally, it should be 12 LPA, but since your current package is less, so accordingly, your new package would be less as well. Okay, Sharon is telling resume template for freshers. Yes, that also we have. So let me share that thing. Right. So this is the resume template for freshers as well. Amol is telling, sir, please guide me with second round of interview of functional testing. So is it managerial? Is it technical? If it is managerial, I have that product as well. You can avail that product. And if you have this technical, you can get the link from there. Okay. Maybe you can try from referrals from LinkedIn, from Naukri.com. Yeah, right. Those places would assist you a lot, right? Okay, Rohit is telling I have managerial round. So in managerial round, they will be more asking you on the scenario based questions, the situational based questions, like what will you do in this particular situation? How will you tackle this kind of scenario? Let's say if there are a lot of bugs that are coming in the last day, how will you deal with such kind of scenario? So those kind of situational based, scenario based questions you can expect from the managerial round. So let me do one thing. Let me share that product with you. Right. So Amol and one more person, I just forgot what was his name, but they were looking for uh, manual managerial things. So here it is. Right. You can avail this product. Junaid is telling fraud. So Junaid, can you frame your question properly so that I can answer? Right. Okay. Vinod got offer of Coforge of 225. They selected 20 for upcoming project in Jan, but project get to March now out of 20. Yeah, so there will be more expectations from you, right? And what I would suggest is have some other backup offers as well, because if they have postponed to March, for you also they might postpone, right? So it's better to have some backups. You know. Yeah, Swaroop, hello sir. I'm planning to switch job now. Currently, I have 5 years, 3 years in manual. How much salary can I expect? So with 5 years, you can expect 3 years in manual, so that is 6 LP, 2 years in automation, so that is, so you can expect somewhere around 12 to 15 LP. Okay, Swaroop. Yeah, please hit the like button, right? The target for the live session likes is getting 100 likes, so I would request everyone to please hit the like button so that it becomes easier for us to to get motivated and to create more and more such kind of content, to be online. And it's, as you know, it's a Sunday, right? So definitely it's a holiday, so would request every one of you to hit the like button, right? Manisha is asking, sir, I have 3 years of experience in same company with 6 LP. How much can I expect? So with 3 years, you can expect somewhere around. If you have automation, you can expect 9 LP. If you have manual, you can expect around 7 LP. Junaid, why are you ignoring my message? So Junaid, I'm not ignoring anyone's message, right? I'm reading all the messages. You just drop your question. I would pick it up and I would answer, right? So don't worry, Junaid. Yogaraj, hi sir. I'm working in manual testing since last 4 years. Uh, I lost. I left job in July 24. Meanwhile, I had no job, and due to now I'm planning in non-IT will it impact my. So if you're going from IT to non-IT, then definitely it would impact. In non-IT, you won't expect that much of high salaries as you're getting in IT field, right? So those kind of things you won't get. In non-IT, you have less growth, right? Less packages as well compared to IT. So be in IT if possible. Guru Datta, sir, my friend Soumya is from Saudi. How is job situation in Saudi about automation testing? Please help her with. So I am not aware, Guru Datta, about Saudi these days, right? How is automation testing opportunities there? I am not aware. Siddhant, they are migrating from Selenium to Playwright. I am confused. Which tool should I choose now? So if they are migrating from Selenium to Playwright, you have to learn Playwright. I was into manual testing, now want to switch to automation part. Kindly guide me. So I would say first try to create frameworks by yourself, learn about Selenium basics. Those things will assist you a lot, right? It's important that you learn about these kind of things. Selenium, how to automate a drop down, how to automate a text box. Those kind of things will assist you a lot. Jyoti, will there be any job opening the month of Jan to March? Yes, definitely. You can expect. Yes, yes, Sandesh will try to add more videos on the JMeter series. What else? That's it. Any other questions you have? Any kind of concerns? Any kind of queries? Right? Yeah. So Kranti, in the package, you will get automation testing questions with Selenium with Python. If you need Selenium with Java, then I have also shared that link. Right? So that link is also there in which Selenium with Java is there. Right? Okay, then I think we are good with today's session. A lot of queries are being answered, and it was almost 40 minutes of session we had, right? And we have exceeded, I think, like 43 minutes as well, right? Yes, yes, Tarun. Last question. Let's deal with that. Jyoti, Salesforce CRM is necessary to learn for testers, not as of now. You can learn for automation first. Yes, Tarun. What is your question? Yeah, Jyoti, any AI tool to learn for automation testing, go for ChatGPT. That would assist you a lot. So, Tarun, I have 2 years of gap from my previous work I was working. So, that 2 years of gap you have to reduce. You can reduce it by maybe if you have worked as a freelancing or maybe as a consultant somewhere. So, those kind of experiences you can showcase. Or, Tarun, you can showcase some try getting into some startup based company where they will not ask you much of the gap related questions, right? Yes, sports talk is asking, sir, does testing have future scope? Yes, lot of future scope is there with respect to testing. Okay, yeah, then I think we are good for today's session. Thank you so much for connecting with us live today. It's a Sunday, and wish you a great weekend ahead. And we have got a few of the products as well, which I have shared with you. So you can continue accessing those products. If you need anything else, let me know. Right? You have my email address, which is rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, and you can also book the calls on the top meet, right? So I am available on top meet as well, so you can book the calls on the top meet, whether it is for career guidance, it is for resume review, all those things you can avail, right? Okay then, yeah, thank you, and I wish you all the best for your career ahead. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and uh, the expectation for having the likes is getting 100 likes, so please do hit like button, right? Thank you, thank you.